Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Open Settings and make sure the Google app is installed and not disabled. Once done, verify your launcher supports widgets, Pixel, and many third-party launchers do. Now go to your home screen and long press an empty area so you can add widgets immediately. This saves time versus hunting through menus. Make sure you have one free home screen panel available and that your device isn't in a restricted profile. You'll now add the widget. Long press the home screen, choose Widgets, then find the Google section. Tap and hold the search bar or G icon widget and drag it to the top of the home screen where it's most accessible. Once placed, release and then use the handles to resize so it fits edge to edge if you prefer. Make sure the widget snaps into place. If it won't, try a different home grid size or move it to another panel to avoid overlap with other icons. Finish by tapping the search bar to confirm it launches the Google app and that voice search works. If prompted, grant microphone or location permissions so voice and results behave correctly. Once everything works, make sure the widget stays on screen after a reboot. If it disappears, re-enable the Google app and set your launcher as default. Troubleshoot by clearing the Google app cache or reinstalling updates. If that fails, remove the widget and add it again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.